In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Lovable website into an APK. To get started, open your project in Lovable. Before anything else, your site needs to be live and publicly accessible because the app wrapper will use that live website as the foundation of the mobile app. Inside Lovable, use the publish option to make your project live. Once it has been published successfully, copy your public production URL. This is the link your future app will load, so make sure you're copying the correct live version and not a preview or temporary link. Next, choose a web-to-app wrapper service. This type of platform takes your existing website and packages it inside a native mobile app shell, which is what allows you to generate an Android APK without rebuilding everything from scratch. Open your browser and go to a wrapper platform such as Median, Natively, or Twinar. Any of these can help you turn your live Lovable site into an installable app. Once you're on the platform you want to use, create an account and start a new app project. During setup, you'll be asked for the website address your app should use. Paste in the public Lovable URL you copied earlier. This connects your live website to the app project. At this stage, it's a good idea to double check that the URL opens correctly and that your site looks good on mobile, since the app experience will reflect that version of the site. After that, configure the native shell of your app. This is where you customize how the app appears to users on their devices. Set your app name carefully, since this is what people will see on the home screen. Upload an app icon that is clear and readable at small sizes. If the platform allows it, add splash screen images for a more polished launch experience. You should also match the theme colors to your brand so the app feels consistent with your website. Even though the content comes from your Lovable site, these native details make the final app feel much more professional. When everything is set up, go to the build section of the platform. Look for the option to build the app or generate app binaries. Start the build process and wait while the platform compiles the Android package in the cloud. This can take a few minutes depending on the service you're using. Once the build is complete, download the Android APK file. That APK is the installable version of your Lovable website as an Android app. From there, you can test it on a device, share it internally, or continue preparing it for distribution. And that's how to convert a Lovable website into an APK.